Get a feel for the 2022 Hyundai Santa Cruz. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 30,000 miles on the odometer. This capable Santa Cruz delivers premium comfort, a smooth, quiet ride, and utility fit for adventurers. High-end design and high-tech equipped, it blends sophistication with remarkable versatility. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: heated steering wheel, heated and/or cooled front seats, Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, pre-collision system, navigation system, moonroof, heated driver's seat, keyless entry, satellite radio, backup camera. Versatility blends beautifully with sophisticated comfort in this remarkable Santa Cruz. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.